Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to write test cases in ClickUp. So create a new space. So let's go here to the space, create a new one, and let's name him QA and testing. Okay, continue. Starter for everyday task. Okay, create space. Now we have it right over here. And what we can do now is create folder inside it and name after your current sprint or platform that you are using. So hover over to Q&A testing folder and we can name this thing test v23 point something like that, and then create. Okay, so inside this folder we can add some list, for example. Okay, so now what we are going to do is hover over here on the left menu to the list and click on these three dots, and here find task status, just like that. And here we will create a clear linear progression. So we have it here, not started, active, closed. We can do this custom status template, so we can go to test, for example. Then we have testing here, field and bug found is 1, for example, and I go like that. Then we have passed. We can put it right here, and we then skipped is closed, for example, like that. And what we are going to do is just apply changes. And we have it right here, our apply. We have it now here in our list, those things. And yeah, we can add now, we can change it here, as you can see, planning in progress, and so on. Yeah, and this is pretty much it, how to write test cases in ClickUp. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.